there, I'm Chef Ani. Today we are making a fantastic, creamy mushroom stroganoff. It is perfect for the summer and for those mushroom-loving people in your life. Like my sister loves this dish because she loves mushrooms. The really nice thing about this dish is that it is so easy to make. You can make it all in one pot. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So we're going to get started by slicing an onion. So slice it in half, and then you want to slice this so incredibly thinly, as thin as possible. That way it cooks evenly. Olive oil in a pot, and we're going to saute our onions for a couple of minutes. While our onion is cooking, I'm going to mince a little bit of garlic. Next, I'm going to slice some mushrooms, quarter them like this. I'm using 2 varieties of mushrooms today, but you can use whichever mushrooms you want to use. Next, we're going to add some vegetable stock. Now, I have a video on how to make vegetable stock. I'll put a link in the description below, but you can also buy it, which is really nice if you're short on time. We're also going to add some nutritional yeast flakes, fresh lemon juice, and a little salt. And we're going to bring this to a boil. It's an old wives' tale that says don't watch the pot or it won't boil. So we'll just let it boil. So now we're going to let this simmer until the pasta is cooked. So our pasta is now cooked. Doesn't this look amazing? And to finish this dish off, we're going to stir in a little bit of vegan sour cream. Today I'm using the WayFare brand. We just want this creamy element. And we're going to add some parsley. Oh, stop it. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Oh, I am so excited to eat this. Let's give it a good taste. So good.
Kaya's not home today.
No.
She's gonna be so sad she missed this.
Yes. She made me promise I would make it again. Good? Love you, Mom. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video. I saw a deer not too long ago, and I was actually down by our river, and then all of a sudden I saw this little, I thought it was a stick, coming towards me, and then I noticed that it was kind of paddling, so that kind of freaked me out. And turns out it was a chipmunk, and he jumped up on the rock right next to me and looked at me, and then he ran away. So, I mean, I guess it makes sense that chipmunks could swim, but I just never seen it. It was a really hot day, so he was just going for a swim, I guess, just to cool off. It looked weird.